Hello everyone and welcome back to my series of videos where I'm solving LeetCode challenges, problems. So now word pattern. Given a pattern in the string s, find if s follows the same pattern. Here follows means a full match such that there is a bijection between a letter in pattern and a non-empty word in s. Okay, let's look at an example. Pattern is ABBA. S is dog, cat, dog. Okay, I get it. So A, B, B, A. A is false. It should be dog, 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 dog. Okay. So I think I know how to do this in a simple way. Word pattern. Code. Zero word pattern. Solution of return true. Solution word pattern. Pattern ABBA. Okay, so now what we do is we iterate over the index of the string. So for I in range, I can even just go and say for char index, char in enumerate s. And then we need to have a dictionary, which is a correspondence, which is a dictionary that takes a string, which is a char, and returns a string, which is a corresponding word. It starts empty. So let's say if char not in correspondence.keys, then correspondence of this key, of the key char, is equals to first I also need to split dog, cat, dog, this string into an array of dog, comma cat, comma dog. And I can do that easily by splitted is a list of strings which is equal to s dot split. This will just split by white spaces. So correspondence char equals splitted of char index. My brain froze for a while. And else, if char is in correspondence, we need to assert that correspondence.char equals that. So if actually they're different, we return false. Doesn't follow the pattern. If they're equal, we just continue. But I think that's not enough. So A dot B B A. So else, if A is not in correspondence.keys, if But if this is in the correspondence dot values, that means it was already inserted before. So it also, that is not correct. So return false. Let's see if this works. Feeling confident. Failed on the example. Just put breakpoints here. Split a char. 2 cat. Oh, enumerate pattern. Silly mistake. Okay, I was assuming that the length of the pattern was also the length of the string when splitted. So if length of pattern is different than length of splitted, if they are different, return false. Okay, it works. Hope you guys enjoy this.